Hello everyone and welcome to Vlenko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process to fix the Kernelbase DLL error in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, let us address the Kernelbase DLL error. The first step involves repairing the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. To do this, open your Windows search bar and type Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Select the first option that appears. Once the page loads, scroll down to find the x64 version and click to open it. You will then see an option to repair the installation. Click on Repair and allow the process to complete. This may take a little while, so you can minimize the window and continue with other tasks if needed. If repairing the Visual C++ redistributable does not resolve the error, we will proceed with a system file check using the command prompt. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and right-click on it, then select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window is open, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter to initiate the system file checker scan. This scan will look for and attempt to repair any corrupted system files that might be causing the kernel-based DLL error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.